What's good, cryptocurrency fans out there? Welcome back to the Everything Altcoin channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Poolz upcoming IDO on Labs, liquefying asset-backed securities. Guys, this is looking like it's going to be a pretty good project that is launching on the Poolz platform. So that actually is a big thing for Poolz. And I do believe this project should gain some hype as more people start to figure out what Labs is. But before we get into talking about Labs, I would like to ask you guys to subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. We're on the road to 5k subscribers, so if you guys want to help out with that, hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video, comment anything in the comment section down below, and most importantly, hit that bell button to get notified every time I upload a video. Check the comments in the description down below for the link to the Discord and the Patreon. So let's get right into the video, guys. So Labs Group is the first end-to-end real estate focused investment ecosystem with its own regulated real estate security exchange platform. Guys, this is looking like it's going to be a pretty good project for the Poolz platform, like I told you guys. Basically, let's get into their website and look at a few of their partnerships that they do have, because this is looking very interesting, and I definitely want to get my hands on this one. So as you guys can see, it's the world's first end-to-end blockchain-powered real estate investment for ecosystem. It's disrupting real estate investment in the largest asset class through the world's first end-to-end real estate investment ecosystem by fractionalizing real estate investments powered by the Labs ecosystem token through decentralized finance, DeFi, and governance. So we already talked about what Labs essentially is, right? As you guys can see, fractionalization allows investments to become more accessible, eliminating the barrier of high minimum investment. The average retail investor can access real estate investment products previously offered to qualified institutional buyers and accredited investors, basically angel investors. So they're kind of like bringing it down for the normies, the people that's not so rich, to be able to get into some real estate investments. Then you got crowdfunding. Investors will be able to invest in real estate products worldwide and just fractional shares. Blockchain is allowing for borderless investment through the blockchain. Then you got lending. Collateralized lending is at the heart of the Lab security token. This allows investors to leverage their assets to loan more money to invest in new projects. This method allows for de-risking of their asset portfolios, allowing for great profits. Then you got the security exchange. All securities on Lab will be traded on a real estate focused licensed security exchange that allows the legal trading of security assets on the secondary market. Real estate assets are freely tradable, offering higher liquidity than the traditional real estate investments. So this already has me kind of hyped. I really want to know how this is going to work out and how it's going to play out. I do want to really invest in this, because real estate is another way to just diversify your portfolio, guys, and real estate will always be around. It's something that you should always try to get into. So the Labs platform, Labs utility token, supports the entire Labs ecosystem. It drives utility and rewards through the crowdfunding, token insurance, lending, and the Labs exchange. So you got governance, you got access. Holder Lab token will be allowed priority access with the lowest price to real estate investments. So that's pretty good. Then you got nominations. Holders will basically be able to nominate projects to the community for investing. Incentive holders will be given incentives on investing in real estate, which can include discounts on investments and loans. Then you got staking, and then you got basically liquidity. So this is another thing that makes them pretty interesting. Now, we covered real DeFi a long time ago, around the same time Mantra DAO has came out, right? So it was basically the hype on Mantra DAO. Then you got Real DeFi. Real DeFi, I've been seeing some people tweet about Real DeFi. It's still under the radar as of right now. I may bring it back up for you guys to talk about it, because Real DeFi may be starting some things right now. So they actually have a blockchain strategic partner. So Real DeFi is a blockchain technology company. Our mission is to accelerate the mass adoption of digital assets by bridging traditional and decentralized finance. Also, Real DeFi is built on the Polka ecosystem, guys. That's something that I should throw out there for you guys to know. Our vision is a world in which everyone has access to decentralized financial services. To that end, we develop applications that connect people to digital assets, mobile payment, and DeFi services, such as saving and lending. Our solution enables lower transaction fees, faster confirmation, energy efficiency, and secure storage and global reach, guys. So basically, use Bitcoin to invest in real estate asset class. You can use Bitcoin. And this is the team. As you guys can see, this is their team right here. Scrolling down a little bit more, you got your advisors. Guess who's there? Box Mining, guys. Another bigger crypto YouTuber. So he is one of their advisors. So he is advising them. So that could basically bring a lot more people to, bring a lot more eyes to labs. Then you got the CEO of Rio DeFi here, James Anderson here. So he is definitely, like I told you, that's going to bring a lot more eyes to labs. And there's more people from Rio DeFi. You got the CMO, and then you got the vice president. And then this is their partners here. They're partnered with Centrifuge, Engine, Bitmart. We'll look at a few more partnerships that they do have. We'll look at the Centrifuge partnership, the Engine partnership, and they also are partnered with Polka covered, guys. So this is their roadmap as of looking at it now. And Q1 of 2021, they're going to integrate onto the Rio chain. Then you got Q2, they're going to do a USA platform launch, cross-chain integration, lab stable token, which is the LUSD. Then you got Q3 of 2021, brokerage partners and collateral lending and product. Then Q4, you got the US prime brokerage property swap marketplace. So Q4 is probably the best quarter for them as I see right now. And these are the investors. So Box Mining has invested in it. I guess Box Mining is a company also for him. I don't know. Then you got Poolz. That's pretty much their website, right? So going on the site, here's the first partnerships that you guys can see. It is with Engine, basically democratized real estate industry with NFT properties. So this is what they're going to be doing. With the rapid growth of technology and the creation of virtual worlds, labs deemed it necessary to utilize the benefits made available by Engine in creating digital reality with the real world value. Engine's technology will enable labs to create fractionalized NFT property assets which are freely tradable and easily accessible, allowing people to invest in real estate for just as little as a US $100. Right? Tokenized property assets could represent fractions of a single apartment unit, hotel rooms, or even an entire building. This would represent a real-world use case and sustainable value for NFTs to represent the world's largest asset class, valued at 228 trillion USD, and will make it accessible to everyone, not just the wealthy investors and institutions. These tokenized property titles minted as NFTs via Engine's platform will significantly lower the barrier of entry for investing into high-yield properties like hotels and apartments, and allow approved property developers to crowdfund through a wide network of retail investors. So that is how they will be using Engine. That is a pretty good partnership, right? Now let's move on to the next partnership that they have, which is with Centrifuge. Centrifuge isn't out yet, but I will give you a brief description on Centrifuge after this, right? So Labs Group, the world's first end-to-end real estate ecosystem platform provider, announced a partnership with Centrifuge to provide the DeFi collateralized lending. The partnership will revolutionize the traditional capital market in the real estate industry, with the potential to access untapped liquidity through collateralized assets and using DeFi applications. So for you guys that are wondering, what is Centrifuge? Centrifuge is a protocol for decentralized assets finance. Asset or originators can access bankless liquidity, and investors can earn attractive yield from decentralized marketplace of asset pools. Centrifuge provides the gateway to access DeFi liquidity using their suite of open source tools. 10 Link Centrifuge chain, and a P2P protocol. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, has cracked the code of financial system independent of centralized banking and currencies. Powered by the community, DeFi aims to build the most efficient finance grid that distributes money in a fair and trustless way. So that's basically what Centrifuge is, and that's their partnership that they're having with Labs. Now, their last partnership that they have here is with Polka Cover, which you already know we covered Polka Cover a while ago, and we got into it. So basically, recently Labs Group partnered with Engine to create fractionalized NFT property assets, which are freely tradable and easily accessible, allowing people to invest in real estate just as little as $1. We read that, right? Labs also works with Centrifuge to provide the collateralized property-backed lending to Lab token holders. So now also partnered with Polka Cover, which will be collaborating with Labs to provide insurance products like homeowner insurance, property insurance against catastrophes, landlord personal liability cover, and impermanent loss cover on the NFT property assets. So that is their 3 partnerships that they have as of right now. So I do believe that this is a great project that's going to be launching on Poolz. Like I told you guys before, Poolz needed a great project to put them on the map, and this can be it. Labs can be that project for Poolz as of right now. Labs is also launching on DuckDAO Dime, right? But we're here to talk about Poolz. But let me know what you guys think about Labs. Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. How do you guys feel about it? Will you guys be trying to get your hands on Labs if you can for the IDO, or are you just gonna wait like everyone else like me for it to get onto Uniswap and invest there? Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below, and if you guys haven't subscribed already yet, please do so. We're on the road to 5,000 subscribers, so if you guys want to help out with that, hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video, comment anything in the comment section down below, and most importantly, hit that bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll check you guys later. Peace, YouTube.